Hi my people, it's a boy once again, and I'm doing 4 major services. I'm doing tooth clipping, I'm doing iron injection, and tail clipping. Okay, I'm sorry, there are just 3 services at day 3. So we get started. So you cut the canines. You have to be very courageous to do this. It's not easy if you are... You see, these are the teeth coming here. Simply, if you are a farmer and a serious farmer, you have to know how to do these services. That's how we do. You cut the fork. Then na kuona boko iko hapo. Hiyo ni sema ndio wiki ndio mbosi. So once you are done, this is iron injection. You inject on the, you can all inject on the thigh or below the ear where you have the muscles. Then the multivitamin injection. Once you're done, this is how you do tail docking. Good. No, wake up. Just go that side one. Tuenda huko. Unakonjoa? Tika la tika antika kila mimi make it 20%. Yeah, ina ndio. So 2, 4, 6, 4.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
In the family, we thank God for them. Yeah, so na wote wanakonjoa hivyo. Kani niyo shindana kweli? Inakaa ile So my guys, these are the new members of the family. I thank God for them. Yeah, we thank God. So that's what we call pig farming business. So I'm staying I want the mother to just circle them. I want to show you, but it is not yet time. I can't wait to see them circling. Yeah, it want to set itself so that they can circle now. Yeah, so let it set itself, you see. I thought it want to set itself so that they can circle. tuote. Ikisikia tunasumbua itakaa tu. So you can see I've given them iron injection. I've tail docked them and they don't seem as if they have been tail docked today. You can see. Let's see how the mother is going to behave. So these are three-day-old piglets. Sasa. Hiyo sasa inakuanga mbaya. So they are disturbing the mother so that it can, so that they can suckle, but they were asleep. I'm the one who have woken them up. So the mother was not yet set or ready to suckle them, but let's see if it is going to suckle them. You can see they have different patches because of the boa. The boa was golden. It was like this one because it was pure duoloc. Yeah, so that is it, and like I told you, this is a big loss. The big loss as a farmer, I lost this male. It is left on that one, but it is something that is understandable. Sometimes because they give birth on Monday, sometimes it is very tired, and it can easily sleep on them because of that being tired and all that. So anyway, let's see if it is going to suckle them. Kuna shire ba Nenkoro ni sawa. Mboko. So they are suckling now. They are enjoying their mother's milk. It is time to suckle.